2009 Nissan Cube with a 1.8 liter. It's gonna tell you guys the location of the O2 sensor. The upstream one, you're gonna access it from here. You might have to remove the engine cover. It's got a 10mm bolts right here. You might have to remove this air intake, this whole assembly right here. Remove this also. You should be able to see it right here. I can't put my phone in there, but I just wanted to give you guys an idea exactly where it's at. Now for the downstream, got my car jacked up. Downstream is gonna be right here, which I already have it taken out. I'm replacing it. Downstream is gonna be right here. Sensor goes in there. That's it. Hope this video help you guys out. I know it's not how to replace the sensor. Just wanted to show you guys the location of it. But if you guys got any questions, comment below. Give me a thumbs up. Click on the subscribe button. And again, thanks for watching.